morning sun on my face. I rise up singing of your grace. Every breath a borrowed song. You hold my heart and keep me strong. It is your grace and your mercy that we live. Every day you pour more love than we can give. When the storms come down, still your arms surround. It is your grace and your mercy that we live. Yeah. When I fall, you lift me high. You wipe the worry from my eyes. In the valley, you still near. Turn my trembling into cheer. Oh, it is your grace and your mercy that we live. Well, every day you pour more love than we can give. When the storms come down, still your arms surround. It is your grace and your mercy that we live. From the island shore to the ends of earth, every broken soul you restore their worth. Hands up, hearts open, hey, we feel your embrace. Dancing in your freedom, covered by your grace. It is your grace and your mercy that we live. Every day you pour more love than we can give. When the storms come down, still your arms surround. It is your grace and your mercy that we live. It is your grace and your mercy that we live. It is your grace and your mercy that we live.